Welcome to my videos, and this is a video about AMD software Adrenalin edition 23.2.2, the release notes. And I wanted to go over some issues here. Apparently some issues have been fixed. You can see the issues here that have been fixed. A known issue that has been very problematic for me personally is the high idle power issue that has been situationally observed when using select high resolution and high refresh rate displays on Radeon RX 7000 series GPUs. I've had this issue since the beginning that I had the GPU. I had a RTX 3080 before with these two displays that I have that run on 144 hertz at 1440p, and it worked without any problem with my RTX 3080. And now these monitors have been giving me these problems with this new AMD GPU. Personally, I wonder how much priority is on this issue, and I wonder how long it will take to fix it. How long AMD will take to fix this issue. It's been pretty annoying because you just want to use your displays at their full capacity and not at half their capacity. So it's just a little annoying. But the GPU itself is really a great GPU. I've been using it for like a few weeks now, and I can say that the performance is actually pretty good. Ray tracing performance has been improved during the latest drivers. The performance on Dying Light 2 is actually amazing with ray tracing enabled. I'm running it all on the highest settings. Luckily enough, the only display that I game on is 144 hertz, and that runs fine. But yeah, the other one is 85 hertz. But it doesn't really matter much, as I just use the second monitor to put windows in of apps that I want on the second screen. Yeah, but these new drivers have been released, so let's go over some of the highlights for this driver. There's now support for Atomic Heart, which is a pretty controversial game. Knowing the background of the game and the political discussions at this very moment. We also have Company of Heroes 3, which I think some people are pretty excited for. Atomic Heart as well, of course, but well, some people are gonna like it, some not. Some don't. Fixed issues. Corruption may be briefly observed when moving Netflix video between displays or minimize the full screen on some AMD products, such as the AMD Ryzen 7 8600U. Maximum encode bitrate limited to 100 megabits for certain applications. Well, that has been an annoying problem for a few weeks now with the latest drivers, but it has been fixed. Weird pop-up behavior with AMD bug report tool, an application crash when playing Hitman 3. Valve Index VR headset may show a blank screen with 144 Hz refresh rate setting on the Radeon RX 7000 series GPUs. certain videos played with the built-in movies and TV app that Microsoft supplies in Windows 11. I'd say why not use VLC Media Player? It works well on Windows, and it most of the time does not have these corruption issues. But that's just a personal thing that I will do. Situational performance drop may be observed in DirectX 11 based games on RX 6000 GPUs using Ryzen processors. Okay, so what I like is that AMD actually took action and supplied drivers for the 6000 series because people were getting a little mad, and I can understand. I can see why. Because they don't want to be abandoned just because they have an older gen card. So, and there are still issues to solve. The high idle power is the most annoying one to me. Video stuttering on RX 7000 series, application crash, premium gold packs in EA Sports FIFA 23. Do people really buy those? I'm just joking. Some virtual reality games or apps may experience lower than expected performance on RX 7000 series GPUs. Brief display corruption may occur when switching between video and game windows on some AMD graphics products, such as the RX 6700 XT. Well, it's known, so hopefully it will be fixed. Next driver in. Metrics overlay may be resized to 50%. Yeah, those DPI changes of applications are really annoying. I'm having this problem with other apps as well. For example, Samsung Magician, it sometimes switches up the zooming of the application, so it may look really small or too big. It can be a little annoying. Corruption may be observed in Returnal in certain scenes with ray tracing enabled on RX 6000 series GPUs. Okay, so that's known now. Yeah, so further, download these drivers if you run the latest GPU to have the best experience you can possibly have. And this was my video. Thank you for watching.